Make these 2 ingredients chocolate with nuts for Valentine's Day in just minutes. This quick and easy homemade chocolate recipe is perfect for gifting or indulging. With rich chocolate and crunchy nuts, it's a simple yet delicious treat anyone can make. No special tools needed, just melt, mix, and set. Perfect for beginners, last-minute desserts, and chocolate lovers. So let's get started. First, I have some roasted hazelnuts. I also have roasted cashews. These nuts are our family favorite. You can use any nuts you like. I have this mini silicone muffin pan. I microwave some white chocolate chips for 15 seconds. You can see this is not melting enough, so I microwave again for another 15 seconds. Every microwave is different, so you need to watch it. This is smooth now. Add the nuts, stir to cover and scoop, and put inside the pan. I'm repeating the same process with semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use any chocolate you like. Again, once the chocolate is smooth, like this, I then put the nuts. You can add more if it's not enough. Repeat this process with your milk chocolate microwaving in 15 seconds. They don't melt enough, so I microwave again for another 15 seconds. Now the chocolates are ready, and I'm going to put in the fridge for half an hour. Take them out from the fridge and just push the bottom of the silicone pan to release them. Then you just assemble. You can use red-colored candy cups. It will make it much prettier for Valentine's Day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and quick recipes. To my subscribers, thank you for your support. Thank you all for watching. Happy Valentine's Day and see you next time.